Okay, we just came into our room. We're in room 9402, and Daniela's gonna show us around.
Hello. So first we have the closet with all there we go. So here we have the closet where you have your robes and your extra pillows and blankets, just in case you're using the couch bed that you have, which I'm going to be using. Then we have the safe, blah blah blah, all that stuff. Anyway, now we have the TV, very big TV, the chandelier.
Is there anything cool about the chandelier we should share?
Yeah, the thing that's cool about the chandelier is if you look, there's a penguin amongst all of the birds there.
Did you spot the penguin?
Just penguin?
There's supposed to be a penguin.
Penguin?
I guess all the penguins broke then. Okay, so there's a little hiccup here.
Well, I guess there is no penguin. The penguin is on vacation, I guess. Anyway, here are the beds.
Two queen beds.
2 queen beds.
We're on the 4th floor, so the ceiling's a little bit taller than other places. It makes it look more spacious. And then here, the couch bed. Daniela likes this couch bed, right?
I like the couch bed.
And then since we're gonna be here for 2 weeks, I requested a regular fridge. If you have any dietary needs or any health reasons why you need a fridge, just let them know and they'll find a way to make that happen.
Or for moms who need to store any type of breastfeeding milk or any type of other milk. Good for moms who are breastfeeding and want to store their breast milk.
She sounds so boring all of a sudden. She's like,
also,
man.
It's good for
reporting for the ground Floridian.
It's good for breast milk. Wait.
Okay. Well, I said any medical needs, so.
Wait. Okay. First, we're gonna leave the balcony to last because we have to do the toilet. Wee. So here we have the toilet. I mean,
Yeah, please don't use that as a
this is
toilet.
not the toilet. Not the toilet. These are the sinks.
And then there's little details like this, right? You get like your tissue stamp with the Grand Floridian stamp. You have just amenities over here like towels. And
It's like
since
extra
it's
towels.
Deluxe, you'll have mouthwash and some of that stuff. You're not going to get out of the other resorts.
Here we have the actual toilet.
Here's a toilet. This is where you need to go. And here's
and
a shower.
the shower.
Oh, they got a rain shower feature. You can also use that one.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to the balcony. Save the best view for last, or a cool view. Let's play everybody's favorite game. Can Daniela open this door?
Let me help you.
I cannot.
So the good thing where there's balconies, there is a lock that makes it hard for children to open. So that proves the so then we're pretty much the last room on this end. I think we're gonna be able to see fireworks pretty well from here.
Yeah.
And you see the pool. And I like these balconies. Actually, this balcony is a lot more spacious than the one we had in the theme park view, because that one you can fit one. So yeah, so maybe if it's a little bit cooler later in the evening, we'll show some fireworks. So here's our view from the Grand Floridian. And what do you think about this balcony?
It's cool. It's pretty. And
and
hopefully Mom didn't
this lady's
lock us
probably gonna
out.
take some naps over there. And yeah, so that's our quick room tour here, Grand Floridian. Standard room, Big Pine Key for the resort studios. Like Lucy said, I mentioned earlier, they were constructed. They were actually converted from regular hotel rooms to these rooms, and they have a Mary Poppins theme. That looks like a hidden Mickey. Is that supposed to be there? I don't know. Yeah, and then again, we're gonna have to ask what happened to the penguin. We lost the penguin.
Penguin?
Yeah, I can see how. I heard at one point some people were taking those. So maybe that's the reason why.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
And again, if we go in, you're going to see some cool details on this mirror. And it's very similar to the Disneyland Hotel, the Disneyland DVC area that has a mirror similar to this.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that now we're just gonna call for our bags and just relax here for a little bit. Anything else you want to add, Lucy?
I'm ready to relax and freshen up for the evening.
Yay.
Perfect. All right, so we're just gonna enjoy the rest of our evening, and that's it.
Yep.
We finally got a room.
Yes.
And we don't have to move again.
Hasta la próxima aventura.